Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Beatrice. If this is your first time seeing my face, thank you so much for stopping by. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support so far. So in today's video, I'm excited to share with you why I decided to start my own YouTube channel. So if this is what you're interested in listening to, keep on watching and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So I have always wanted to start my own YouTube channel. But for a while, I have actually procrastinated about this. So I decided to find courage. I just needed to find that courage from somewhere, and I decided to take this big leap. So one of the reasons why I decided to start my own YouTube channel, number one reason is personal growth. If there's one thing I love the most, is learning new things and exploring, like thinking out of the box. And starting this whole YouTube channel has kind of like pushed me out of my comfort zone, and it has exposed me to learning new skills like content creation, editing, and interacting with other people. So it's something that I am very excited with, like doing. You get? I'm very, very excited in doing all these things. I didn't know how to edit before. I didn't know some certain things, but now with a lot of research, I can probably say that I'm good at all these things. So at least I'm improving myself and I've learned a lot. And I'm still learning. Like I'm still learning. I'm learning from you guys and learning from the community. So personal growth is actually why I wanted to start my own YouTube channel. At least it has exposed me to learn a lot of new things, of which I am gaining, of which you are also gaining from me. So the second reason why I decided to start my own YouTube channel is community connection. Like I had always wanted to connect with like-minded individuals who share my passion for fashion, like those that are in my own niche, you get? Like I also want to create a community where we can be able to inspire, learn from each other, and also improve in our skills, like from this own fashion niche, you get? So that's one of my reasons why I decided to start my own YouTube channel. So the third reason why I decided to start my own YouTube channel is inspiration and empowerment, which is the most important of it all. Like I basically aim to inspire and empower my own viewers to be able to embrace their own unique style and confidence. There's that joy you get when you're able to put someone through to do a particular thing that would aid them or help them in the future, of which is what I am doing on my YouTube channel. So inspiring and empowering you is my basic priority of why I decided to start my own YouTube channel, because I was being taught as well to be able to make use of that knowledge in which you've been taught. You get? Like one of my reasons why I decided to start my own YouTube channel. So the fourth reason why I decided to start my own YouTube channel is getting monetized. Guys, I'm going to be very honest with you. Like, I also want to get monetized someday. I just started my YouTube channel not long ago, but right now, what I'm aiming at is building my community at first. But these are one among the reasons why I decided to start my own YouTube channel. I hope that I get paid for my efforts and my work. Like, I'm just trying to be real with you guys here. It's going to take a long while, but I'm ready to wait. I'm ready to work to achieve that. So getting monetized is also a reason why I decided to start my own YouTube channel, aside other reasons. Yeah. So I'm going to be sharing with you my growth so far on YouTube. So I actually started posting on my YouTube channel on the 17th of July, when I decided to take that big leap to start my own YouTube channel. So I started by posting a DIY on how to make kitchen gloves. I will drop a link in my description box. If you're interested in watching that tutorial, you can click on the link and watch it and hit the like and subscribe button. So for the meantime, right now, I've posted like 10 videos on my YouTube, and I've posted a couple of short videos on my YouTube channel. So, and for this whole period, I've been getting likes and lots of views on my videos that I've been posting out. I know I'm just starting. Sometimes the views can be very, very discouraging. Let me be honest. Those views can be so discouraging. Like, my channel is all about fashion, DIY, and crafts. You get? So it's very, very tedious trying to put these videos all together in one piece and putting it out there for people to see it and view them. So I can proudly say that I have posted 10 videos so far, and I hope to post more videos, like more educational videos that would help you out, to those that are interested in my own particular niche, fashion and crafts and all of that. So far, I have a total number of 25 subscribers. I'm going to clap for myself. Like, I started a month ago. It's not easy to get 25 subscribers. Celebrate your little beginning. You mustn't wait till it's like 1 million subscribers before you celebrate yourself. To those that have subscribed, 25 subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I have also posted a couple of bag tutorials on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in watching that, I'm going to drop the link of those tutorials in my description box. So please, thank you so much for viewing, subscribe and like, share my videos. I'll really appreciate that. So that's how far I have gone with my own YouTube channel. And I hope to go more further, to grow more, sorry. I hope to grow more as time goes by. And you that is watching me is going to help me a lot with subscribing to my YouTube channel. Your views, your comments, your likes is something that I will so much appreciate. So thank you so much for your support in advance. My fears and doubts of starting my own YouTube channel. Guys, I panicked for a long time. Will I say panicking? Procrastination for a very long time. Like, I was just being scared of what to expect in the long run. I'm starting this. Am I going to be able to keep up with the whole pace? Because I know this journey is a very, very long one. Like, if you're not strong hearted, if you're not strong-hearted in this YouTube journey, like, it's not going to be easy for you. There are many people that have given up, of which I would not want to give up. So help me God. So I was always scared of being criticized or judged, like not being good enough, not giving enough good quality content for my viewers, not being like keeping up with this, because this whole community, let me be honest, can be competitive at times. You get? And sometimes YouTube algorithm, will I say YouTube algorithm is not fair to some of us, like to some small YouTubers. Like, you feel like you've put in a lot of effort, you've done something that is very nice, something that has good quality. At the end of the day, you're not getting any views. Like, it can be very, very frustrating. Like, very, very frustrating. Like, I had always been scared of starting my own YouTube channel. And then the other reason why I was scared was I felt like I didn't have enough gadgets for me to start my own YouTube channel. I felt like I should have a good phone with better quality camera, a good phone with big storage, of which this phone I'm using to shoot this video has low storage issues. Sometimes I find myself borrowing from other people's phone just to edit videos and post it out there, and then after all this stress you're not getting any views. Gosh, that can be very, very frustrating. These are my fears, but we cannot keep on dwelling on our fears. We have to keep on pushing. So all small YouTubers out there that are watching me, we are all in this together. You're not alone, but the goal there is not quitting. Don't quit. So those are my fears. Basically, those are my fears. Despite my fears of starting a YouTube channel, I had to remind myself that everyone starts from somewhere. And the only way to grow is to take risk. So you have to take risks to be able to gain something. Like, it has been an exciting experience for me so far. So I can't keep on wallowing in my fear that, oh, fear of this, fear of that, you get. So I decided to like do away with my fear. Sometimes I'm not always like motivated like this, but I keep on motivating myself. I have people around me that encourage me that this is going to pay someday. Like, I'm going to meet new people. Like, I'm so excited about all of that. So to all those small YouTubers that are watching me and other people that are trying to grow their channel, like, the goal is not to quit. Just keep on pushing. Just know that someday everything you're doing is going to pay. And I obviously have God on my side. Like, He's going to favor me. I know I'm going to blow, yeah. I know I'm going to actually blow, yeah. So the goal is not to quit. So, my words of encouragement to anyone who is thinking of starting his or her YouTube channel, or those that have already started, I'm leaving you with your words of encouragement. Of course, in this journey, we all need encouragement. Like, believe in yourself and whatsoever you're doing. Just keep on aiming on growing. I'm also advising myself here because I need that advice some days. Like, don't compare yourself to others. I'm a victim of that. I raise up my hand. Sometimes I compare myself to others. Like, what is this person doing now? I'm not doing right. You get? I try to like compare myself, and then when I find myself comparing myself with others, I lose my joy and my peace. The goal is just to focus on yourself. You get? So just keep your passion growing. Embrace failure as a stepping stone. Now that's where we get it wrong. Sometimes when we're like failing, we feel like, oh, we've lost it. Where you failed, you try to like stand up and find out where the hitch is, and then you correct yourself. You get? Just keep on learning and improving yourself. Do a lot of research, think outside the box, try to do something unique, and surround yourself with positive people. Guys, if you surround yourself with negative people, you are in trouble, because the whole journey is not funny. So if you're surrounding yourself with negative people, like, it's going to make things worse for you. Of course, I thank God for the good people that I have around me, that like keep on motivating me each time like I get down or discouraged. You get? So these are my words of encouragement, and I'm so excited to unravel what I have for this journey, or to unravel. I'm so excited to unravel what this journey has for me on YouTube. Remember, success is not gotten overnight, but with persistence, patience, and dedication, you're going to actually achieve your own dreams. I'm talking to myself as well. And to whosoever that is watching me, don't get discouraged. There's always light at the end of a tunnel. Conclusion, conclusion, conclusion. So that is why I decided to start my own YouTube channel. I hope what I've said has been able to inspire you in one way or other to achieve your own dreams. So I'm excited to see what the journey has for me, you get, and for your support. Thank you so much, my incoming and my already existing subscribers. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.